Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can customize your Command home screen. So when you first log into Command, which is agent.kw.com, what you're seeing right here on my screen is going to be the home page of your Command, and there are some customization options within this page, so we can change the layout just a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this pencil in the top right corner and say Customize. And from there, we can select the different widgets that we would like to have appear on our home screen. So maybe, for example, we don't want our most active contacts to show on here, and maybe we don't want the sponsored events to show. So once we take those off, we can see over here that these update, and we can also drag and drop these around if we want to update the order that they are in. I'm going to go ahead and put sponsored events back on there just so I can show you. So these two are going to stay. Anything in this column is going to move around in this specific column, and then anything in this column is going to move in this specific column. So we're going to click apply, and we're going to see those go into effect immediately. And so we can see our database health up at the top, profit share, market center events, things like that. So those are some great options for customizing it. Just a quick note that the leads never contacted, recently active, birthdays, and anniversaries cannot be adjusted, and those will always stay at the top of your Command dashboard. So if you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are happy to help out.